everyone. So I have a wonderful trick regarding the spring block systems. So it is a very common problem and confusion, like which direction and which acceleration I have to measure and I have to consider to understand the readings of the spring system. Okay, so you have to just understand, like if this is the spring and this is the block, you have to just measure the acceleration, consider the acceleration in the direction of the spring. So this is the direction of the spring, and so this will be the acceleration here, right? If for example, if the acceleration is like this, you have to take the components and find out the straight acceleration. So you just tell me which acceleration will you consider here. So this is the spring, this is the direction, right? So the acceleration due to gravity is here, but I have to take the component and find out this one. And if you have watched my videos, I told you the slant one is g sine theta, s, right? And here it is the straight one and it is the g. So you can easily measure it, isn't it? It's a very wonderful trick that will help you a lot. If you liked it, then do subscribe the channel.